Don't peck you. Tommy?
Bell.
Welcome back to bed watching. No, I'm just joking. Montage with extra cheese every month.
Nigga.
Aiden, don't.
I'm holding it while I was good. Nice one, Gary. No, you can't reject him.
Just right there. Look at him. Wild beast. Oi, Brayden, don't. Brayden.
He seems comfortable.
Oh. Stop. Brayden, out. Brayden, out. Brayden, out of my room. Brayden. Brayden, out of my room, please. Brayden. Gimme.
Just sit down.
Give me him. Brayden. I'm zooming up. That's as far as I can go. I can just see him. Okay, back to this kid. What beast?
Yes, I know, Tom.
Yes, you want to Budgie! How are you? Welcome back to Talking with Budgies. Today, I'm talking with Luca. How are you going, Luca? You going good? Actually, I have no idea what to say.
How are you today?
I am good, actually. Thank you.
do.
Yeah.
So, what's this dumb retarded little thing about?
I don't know. I'm just wondering. Okay, bye. Okay. What is he doing up there?
What do you want? I'm gonna take over the world.
Shut up.
I'm gonna take over the world. I am an evil one.
I'm getting him.
No, don't be evil. I'll give him a bit of a shake.
Wait, come here.
Can you pass me him?
Tom?
I'll hold it if you pass me the bird.
Yeah, just look at the bed. Put it on the bed. Thank you. Superman! Oh, the Wesco. Hi, coming.
I zoomed in.
Oh, hallelujah. Oh,
For fuck's sake.
okay, I'll grab him. The wild beast
You are a dumb bird.
has been discovered. Grabbing him.
The wild hippo.
Ouch! Don't peck me!
Yeah, I'll hold the top.
No, I got it. Just move your legs. Little machine. Gotcha! Oh, take him. Oh, he's gone.
No, you rejector.
Anyway,
I'm a blossom.
they're both cuties. Don't fight!
I'm a blossom tunes.
I hate you.
Jacob, can you shut your thing a bit? Like just a small bit. Yeah, your roller shutter a bit, please.
Okay.
Please.
We got roller shutters.
Keep them going till it's there.
No, I'm gonna close them until this. It just makes.
Anyway, that's better.
Because I need lighting. So I can see.
Hey guys.
What is he doing? Yeah. No, I'm backing out. Bye. He's so beautiful. Gonna take him alive. Look at the holy Budgie. As he walks on land. Oh. What did you want me? No, I really. Wait.
Credit cards. Oh, I have
You'll
Pandora.
come with me.
I have Pandora.
Good for you.
Mm.
Ah, he's walking. Where's he going?
I'm so beautiful.
Hmm.
Let's get back to the world.
Where's he going?
You got that thing.
Up.
Never be like you.
Help me. Thanks for the music. Bye. Anyway, guys, that's the montage. March. That's March. Thank you for all watching, and goodbye.